Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to fix blue screen of death Windows 10. So first of all, if you want to fix this issue, we'll need to do something in our Windows settings, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so basically in here, in the search, in your settings, type in Advanced Startup. So you will have this tab right here, change Advanced Startup Options, this is where I am now. And basically just under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now, and you will be taken to a certain screen where I will tell you steps to perform next in order to fix the blue screen issue. Alright, and now in here, as you can see, we need to choose a option. This is going to be right before your computer starts. This is going to be right after your computer starts. You'll have this menu. Alright, and for those people that are not able to do this from Windows, you've gotten this blue screen of death error and you can't access your operating system, you will actually need to, before starting your operating system, before it boots up, you need to basically press on your power button on your PC until your PC turns off. After it shuts down, you need to restart it again by pressing the power button on your PC once again. And after that, when you see the logo of Windows on your screen, you will need to press and hold the power button on your PC's case once more, and to basically force shut it down. And you will have to do this 3 times in total in order to get into the screen if you don't have access to your operating system at all. Alright, now once you're in this screen, click on Troubleshoot. After that, go to the advanced options in here and then click on Startup Repair. But if Startup Repair doesn't fix your issue, we're going to actually use the command prompt, which is on the bottom left, and we're going to input a set of commands that I will tell you, and I will also display them on the screen so that you can easily input them. So let's move into the command prompt then. Alright, now as you can see, we have a CMD, which is a command line window open, and in here you will basically need to input the commands that I will tell you in order. Alright, the first command is this one. When you input it, press enter after you've typed it in. This is going to be our second command. Do not mind the access denied text after you've done it. Just move on with the next command. This is going to be our next command. This is the next command, guys. Alright, the next command again. Alright, now this SFC command is going to scan our system for corruption. It's going to take some time to finish up. Wait until 100% and until it's done. Alright, after doing this command, you should have this text that Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files, and it successfully repaired them. This is going to be a very important step. And now the last command is going to be this one. This one's going to be the one to finish up our fixing of the screen of death. Alright, and after this one is done, as you can see, its total duration is 6 seconds. Okay, and after doing all of these steps, just reboot your PC and your blue screen of death should be gone. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped, leave a comment and like the video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one, and I will see you very soon.